Hello guys and welcome to my channel. I'm Omar Hamid, and in this video I will show you how you can go into a new line of a cell in Excel. So let's go into Excel to see how we can do it. Here I am in Excel and I have these two columns. The first column containing the customer name and the second column containing the number of previous orders. But as you can see in the second column, the heading doesn't show the full title. So one way that I can make it be seen all is to go into format, for example, and autofill column width. But here all the cells below the title will also have the same width, which I don't want. I want the cell to be the same size as the numbers only. So what I can do is to press on the cell and create a new line in it in order to divide the title into two lines. So I will go into the title here and I will choose the place that I want to start my new line in. So I want, for example, number of on a line, then on the next line previous orders. So I'll press next to off and I will press Alt plus Enter. So you see now that we have more than one line. Orders also went automatically to a new line because it doesn't fit next to previous, but if we make it a bit wider it will fit. And you can see that the title is being seen on the bottom of the cell, so I can mark the row and center it, and in this way it looks much better. I can also make as many lines as I want. So for example, I can make number on a line, Alt Enter off on new line, Alt Enter previous on new line, and orders on new line. So if you see now, we have 4 lines in the cell. A second way to do that is to press on the cell, and here in the alignment of the home tab you can see something called wrap text. So if you press on it, the text will be wrapped and all the content of the cell will be shown to you. So with these two methods you will be able to create new lines and let all your content be seen inside the cell without the need to increase the column width. This trick will help you in organizing text inside cells, which will make them look more organized and easier to read. Like and share this video and hit the subscribe button to always stay updated about my previous and upcoming videos.